Today in this video, I'm going to explain PS5 how to change background on profile to anything. Go to settings from the top right, then go to captures and broadcast. Then select shortcuts for create button, then click on button mapping and set it as easy screenshots. Then go back to main menu, then press the PlayStation button from the controller, then go to game base, then go to any chat and type google.com and send it. Then click on google.com, then type for the picture, then select the photo, then press the share button from the controller, then go back by pressing circle. Now go to profile and click on it. Then go to profile, then go to edit profile, then go to cover image, then click select image. Now select the image and click on save, then click on done. By following the steps, you can change background on profile to anything.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.